Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome once again in Android Studio Beginners project. So in this tutorial we are using ImageView and how ImageView is working and how it will shine. So first of all I am writing the XML file for the ImageView. So here you can just write. So I already added a text view by default. So when you can create a new project by default it will be um, run created a text view, but there is a hello world. If you can change the text, so here you can change the text to convert it into the this a text view. So now I'm starting your project image views. It will be ref content and ref content id is the created the id for the image because I want to change the dynamic image from the click image. So you can access this image by this id for the backend. So layout is center and horizontal to so here I just hit words. So this is a static method for showing the image. So I just created IC launcher. Okay, so here you can see my image at IC launcher, but I want to add a center and vertical to. Okay, so here is a top, version top. Okay, so here I am going to enter below ID image, and after this you can write top margin top is 20 dp. Okay, so is this. Now as you can see, that's a good. Okay, so now we are going to the backend and the Java option, what we will do in the Java. Okay, so here first of all I create a image view object, image view. Okay, so come to the internal, initialize the image view, find view by id r.id.image, r.id.image like this. Okay, so it will get integrated. After this, now I want to click the image. If user click image, what it says, I want to change this text. When user click the image, so image view dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener, this one. Okay, so text view dot, okay, so it's a text view dot set text image is clicked. Okay, so if the text is clicked, text view dot set on click listener, then it will be show you click the text view. Okay, so now I am running the project and check what will be happen. Now it's initializing our ADB, which I installed the internally. So I just netted the Nexus 5x API 24. Okay, so click OK. Now it will start first of all our ADB. Then when ADB is installed our emulator, uh, when our emulator is started, then when the big red bird running is finished, then our app is successfully launched in our emulator. So we'll wait. Okay, so our emulator is run now. So now when the Gradle while running finish, then will be automatically installed the app in our emulator and running will be automatically. Okay, so we'll wait for Wait for the Gradle build running complete. Once it's finished, then it will be start in our emulator. Okay, so now it will be Gradle build finished. Now installing the PK in my emulator. Once it is installed, then it will be automatically launched. Okay, so now installing the PK in emulator. Installed successfully. Now launching TD starter. So it will launch this. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the text view. When I click the text view, it will be changed to the text view. You click the text view. So now I click the image. So you click the image. Okay, so as you can see how it will see. So it will work successfully. Um, just like as I say. Okay, so we will wait for the. We will see you at the next video. So guys, take care of yourself. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.